Hello, my name is Nicolas Monsalve, and this is my Airbnb. A furnished house in Barranca Bermeja, Santander, in Barrio Cincuentenario. The house has three bedrooms. Each room has one double bed, air conditioning, TV, fan, and wardrobe. Two bathrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen, and a parking lot. Price. The price is 150 150,000 the night, and more 3 nights. The price is 125,000 the night. Um, the house has the facilities of parking lot, washing machine, refrigerator, a breakfast, parking front next to a tobacconist, one block from a court, Wi-Fi, TV, and air conditioning. Um, and and I am the amphitryon, Nicolas Monsalve. Thank you.